What if I told you I just built a $10,000 per month AI automation agency in exactly 30 days using nothing but GPT-5's new reasoning mode? No team, no office, just me, my laptop, and some seriously smart AI. I'm about to show you the exact blueprint, the tools I used, the mistakes I made, and most importantly, the three game-changing automations that landed me five-figure monthly recurring revenue. Stick around because this is going to blow your mind. The foundation. Why GPT-5's reasoning mode changed everything. Okay, let's start with the elephant in the room. GPT-5's reasoning mode isn't just another AI update, it's a complete paradigm shift. Unlike previous versions that just generated responses, this thing actually thinks through problems step by step. I realized this on day 3 when I fed it a complex customer service workflow for a local restaurant chain. Instead of giving me a generic chatbot script, it mapped out a 47-step decision tree that handled everything from basic reservations to complaint escalation. That's when it hit me. This wasn't just a tool, it was like having a business consultant that never sleeps. The strategy. 3 pillars of my agency. So here's how I structured everything. I focused on 3 core automation services that small to medium businesses desperately need but can't afford to build in-house. Pillar 1. Smart lead qualification systems. My first breakthrough came with lead qualification. I built an AI system for a real estate agency that could have full conversations with potential buyers, ask the right qualifying questions, and only pass through serious prospects to human agents. The results? Their conversion rate jumped from 12% to 34% in 2 weeks. I charged them $2,500 for setup plus $800 monthly maintenance. But here's the kicker. The entire system took me 4 hours to build using GPT-5's reasoning mode. The AI doesn't just ask, "What's your budget?" It says things like, "I notice you're looking at properties in the $400 range, but you mentioned wanting a 3-car garage. In this market, that typically means looking at the 450 to 500K range. Would you like me to show you some options that fit both criteria?" It's like having a seasoned salesperson working 24/7. Pillar 2. Dynamic customer support automation. The second pillar was customer support, but not basic chatbots. I'm talking about AI that actually solves problems. I landed a SaaS company that was drowning in support tickets about password resets, billing questions, and feature explanations. I used GPT-5 to create a reasoning system that could access their knowledge base, understand context from previous conversations, and even push updates to user accounts. The AI reduced their support ticket volume by 73% in the first month. They're paying me $3,200 monthly for this system. What makes this different is the reasoning capability. When someone says, "I can't access my dashboard," the AI doesn't just send a generic troubleshooting guide. It checks their account status, recent login attempts, browser compatibility, and walks them through personalized solutions. Pillar 3. Intelligent content and email sequences. The third pillar became my goldmine, content automation that doesn't suck. I partnered with a marketing agency that was spending 15 hours weekly creating email sequences for their clients. Using GPT-5's reasoning mode, I built a system that analyzes customer data, purchase history, and engagement patterns to create hyper-personalized email campaigns. We're not talking about, "Hey, first name" personalization. This AI writes completely different emails based on customer behavior patterns. One client saw their email revenue increase by 180% in 3 weeks. The marketing agency now pays me $4,400 monthly and wants to scale this to all their clients. The numbers. Breaking down the 10K month, let me give you the exact breakdown of month 1. Real estate lead qualification, $3,300, $2,500 setup plus $800 monthly. SaaS customer support,